Good morning, Sunshine House. Today is Tuesday, October 6th. Today in social studies, you are going to be looking at everybody's slideshow, their state slideshows. So we are going to evaluate and appreciate the work of our peers, finding similarities and differences within our states using geography. So when you enter the social studies classroom today, in the stream, we are going to click on classwork because that's where we find everything that we need. When you go to the daily lesson today is Tuesday, October 6th, I click on that and you'll notice that I put down 4 things that you can do. So first of all, you enter the Bitmoji classroom, which is right here, Bitmoji SS for social studies and today's date. I also linked in today's learning target so that you know exactly what we're working on today. As you enter the Bitmoji classroom, I'm going to click on it. This is what you're going to see. Behind my picture here, right back there, there's a TV. And you'll notice that Carl Azuz is on that TV. If you click on that TV, it'll take you to a link for you to watch CNN 10. So that's one of the things on our checklist this week is that do we watch CNN 10 every single day? So if you do that in the checklist, when I show you how to do that later in our Google Meet, you'll be able to check that box, okay? So it says in my Bitmoji classroom that we're gonna do that state slideshow shared during our Google Meet time. I'll show you how to do that checklist and then watch CNN 10. So this is what I'm expecting you to do on your own. Watch CNN 10 and comment on the Padlet. So again, CNN 10 is right behind me here. See the antennas of the TV? Once you're done watching Carl Azuz, then you're going to click on the Padlet. So all you do is click on that Padlet and it takes you right to the Padlet that you need for today. And a Padlet is just like a bulletin board to share our ideas. So today it says, if you could buy a robot like the one in today's episode, what would you use it for? So when I'm ready to respond, I'm going to double click on my mouse and it says title. So I'm going to put down Mrs. Bartow. Then I'm going to click on my sticky note that I've created and I'm going to say I would use a robot for, and then I would do some thinking. Maybe around your house, maybe yard work, maybe something else. Whatever you decide, go ahead and write down some ideas of what you would use that type of robot. So once you're done watching CNN 10 today, you'll notice what kind of robot I'm talking about. What would you like to use that kind of robot for? Okay, so I'm expecting that today when you enter the classroom, you watch CNN 10 and you comment on the Padlet. This is to be done on your own, not during the Google Meet time. Okay. So that's all for social studies. If you haven't finished your assignments, scroll down in classwork. You've got a survey from Mr. Masters. The weekly checklist, if you haven't done that by now, don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how to do that in the Google meeting today. And then here is where you find your slideshow. If you still don't know what state you've been assigned to, you're going to want to check out, click on that PDF, and it will tell you. All right, I will see you later in our Google meeting. CNN 10 and comment on the Padlet. Goodbye.